Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 13 has a network and your Apple ID is signed in. That lets iMessage register. Once done, open Messages from the home screen and tap the Compose icon in the top right to create a new thread. Make sure the recipient's phone or Apple ID is saved in Contacts so Messages can detect iMessage. If it shows blue, it's iMessage. Green means SMS. Tap the recipient and you're ready to type your first message. You type your message into the text field, and you can add attachments from the app drawer, photos, Memoji, or location. Press the blue send arrow to deliver over iMessage. If you press and hold that arrow, you can send bubble or screen effects to add emphasis. For group conversations, use inline replies by swiping right on a message or tap back to quickly react. Make sure Send as SMS is enabled if you want fallback when iMessage is unavailable. You wrap up by organizing message settings. Verify iMessage is enabled and the correct phone number and email are in Send and Receive so people reach you. If iMessage won't activate or messages fail to send, try restarting your iPhone, toggling iMessage off and on, or signing out and back into your Apple ID. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear connectivity issues, but remember this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, contact Apple support if activation errors continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.